McCall. We're going to do a quick video walkthrough over at Silverpine Hideaway. So we've just arrived. We're going to open the door, use your hand. 4-digit code, that's just a generic one. Open the door. So now this is a great destination right in the heart of McCall. Wonderful townhome that sleeps up to 9 people, 3 levels. Brand new, modern, really convenient. As you can see right there is Alpine. So as you're heading up, you know, the nice things about these wonderful homes that are newly built, it's nice open floor plan, kind of warm and inviting. Well-appointed kitchen. Great entertainment set, fireplace, a balcony with a barbecue. Dining room. And the master is on this main living space, washer and dryer. So king size, entertainment center. Walk-in closet, wonderful shower. And then we're gonna head up and go on the 3rd floor. We have the guest bathroom that's right here. And then upstairs we have a loft area. The television, Xbox One X. TV, another little balcony to hang out and chill out. 2 other bedrooms up here. Full-size tub, shower, bath. And then in here. And then down below, there's another pull-out. So very convenient, wonderful place. So if you have any questions, interested in booking, this is Silverpine Hideaway. Number is 208-634-0030, or you can go online at DoneRightManagement.com and book.